Hey, so how old are you? Oh, I cannot hear you. Please unmute.
Oh, wait,
Yeah,
sorry.
yeah. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Oh, you're 11 years old and you are in class 6, class 5.
Yes.
Hey,
In class 6.
class 6. Oh, how are you doing? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm
Oh, that's
okay.
very good. How's school today? You're
Mm,
doing great?
is good.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm
Wow,
happy.
you're happy? Oh, that's great. Okay, that's very important. I need to charge my laptop first, okay? Do
Okay.
you know teacher Anna?
Yes, I
Okay.
know.
You know her?
Yes.
Yes. She is my cousin. Teacher Anna is my cousin, my younger cousin. Yeah, we
Oh.
are cousin and she's also a teacher like me. Okay? But we live far because teacher Anna live in the hometown and teacher Anna live in the city. So we need to travel like 2 to 3 hours teacher Anna's home. Quite far.
Oh.
Yes. Okay. How about you? Where are you living now?
I'm in my home, but my cousin my home go to my cousin house. I think is 2 minutes.
So you're now in your cousin's house?
No, I'm in my house.
Ah, you're in your house
But
now.
my house and my cousin house is near.
Wow, you're a neighbor.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So your mom is the student, my student, your mom. Your mom is my student. And then she told me that you're cooking pizza. And you deliver pizza. And
Yeah.
and pizza in Vietnam is very yummy.
Uh
It's yummy?
yes. It's yummy.
You know, Queen, we have here banh mi. Are you familiar this? A bun,
What?
this one, bun kitchen. There's a bun kitchen in my place, that one.
Oh,
It's a bread.
kitchen.
It's from Vietnam. They are cooking bread, and the bread is very yummy. It's yummy.
Oh.
Yeah, and then but it's quite expensive. Okay, so
Yeah.
Queen, what materials did you use for teacher Anna?
Mm,
What material did you
what?
use for what material? What lesson did you use, teacher Anna? Are you done with cat or not yet?
Um.
Cat, are you
mm,
done, cat? Oh, let us try cat, okay? I will try cat for you. You wait me for a minute.
okay.
Okay, wait ha, just a minute, Queen. Just wait, Kin ha, Queen, for a minute, Queen. I will share to you the cat lessons.
Okay.
Yes. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. What is your favorite song? You have your favorite song, Queen? Do you know English song?
Mm,
English song.
English.
Yeah.
Mm, I like Baby Shark.
Baby Shark. You like Baby Shark?
Yes.
Oh, aside from Baby
Yes.
Shark, what else? What else?
Uh, Baby shark.
Baby shark, 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 like that.
Yeah.
What else? What music do you like the best? The most?
Is lemon tree.
Lemon. Wow, that's everyone's favorite. Do you know that? I wonder how, I wonder why. I just wondered why Vietnamese love lemon tree music. I didn't know why. I wonder how,
I
wonder why.
don't
Da, da, da.
know, but I think it's fun
It's fun. Oh,
because yes, because it's fun.
it's fun because teacher, because it's fun. Okay. Yes, because teacher, it's fun. Okay. You like lemon tree because it's fun, teacher. It's fun. Okay. I will share to you now when the yes. A minute ha. Okay, this one. Okay. I wonder how. I wonder why. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we have here 10 different topic about family, best friend, hometown, your house, your sports, computer, collecting like collections. What do you want to collect? Music. Okay, first, we have here about family. Okay, tell me about your family. Oh, you tell me about your family.
My family have has three people.
Okay,
My mom, my dad, and me.
wow.
My
Okay.
my mom is 37 years old, and
Mm-hmm.
my dad is 14 years old.
Okay.
Um,
And then, okay. So now, how about your best friend? Do you have best friend in school or your neighbor?
uh, neighbor. Yes, I
Mhm.
have my best friend in my neighbor.
Oh, what's the name of your best friend?
Her name is Tường Vi.
How old is she?
She is or she is 13 13 years old.
She's 13 years old. Okay. So, how you will gonna describe your best friend? What is the first thing that you will gonna describe? Like you will say, "Oh, my best friend is pretty. She's smart." Okay. How you will gonna describe your best friend?
And my best friend is so beautiful.
Oh, and
He
he,
is
he or
kind.
she, he or she.
She is kind
Mm-hmm. What else? Beautiful,
and
kind.
she is tall.
He's tall. Oh, taller than you? Taller than you.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how about hometown? Do you have hometown Gwen?
Yes, I have.
Okay, like how far from your city? How far from the city?
Um, uh, my hometown is far Taiping. No, I think it's far Ningbo.
Or like how many hours to travel?
What?
How many hours to travel?
is 13 minutes.
30 minutes. Oh, not far. 30 minutes. 30?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
it's near my home.
Ah, okay. Not that far. Okay,
Be,
now.
be, because
Hmm.
it's in Taiping.
Ah, okay. So, how about your house? Is your house, you live in the city? You live in apartment? What?
My house live in the city.
Mm-hmm. Is it big? How many bedrooms?
Is 3 bedroom.
Mm-hmm. That's very good. Okay. How about sport? What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is play badminton.
Oh, you love to play badminton?
Yes, I always play badminton with my cousin in free time.
Wow. My daughter, you know my daughter, I will send you the pic of my daughter later. My daughter is playing badminton too. She is 14. She loves to play badminton in school. Okay, that's
Mm.
her hobby. Okay, next. How about computer? Okay, do you love to play games in the computer?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what did you do in the computer aside from playing games?
I always watch YouTube,
You always
watch
watch YouTube.
watch
Okay.
movie and listen to music.
Oh, do you have TikTok?
What?
Do you have TikTok?
T-
Yeah, this
No.
one, this one. You didn't have like this. That one.
TikTok.
You have?
No.
I
No.
know. Okay. Next is collecting. What is the most favorite thing that you want to collect? What is the most favorite thing that you want to collect?
Mm, yes.
What is the most favorite thing that you want to collect, like your collection? Like picture. I want to collect this one. Sunny. It's stuffed toys. Or I want to collect Stitch like this. Sorry ha. I have here Stitch. I want to collect this one. Oh. This is my daughter Stitch.
Oh,
You like this?
wow.
You like Stitch?
Yes, I love this.
You love it? There's a smaller version with
Yes.
this. There's a smaller version with a Stitch.
Oh, I have a big duck.
You have? Where is it? Can you show it to me?
Yes. Wait,
Okay.
wait for me.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Wait. This, this is my big duck.
Wow, you have dog? I've got actually a big penguin, but the penguin is already broken. You have big duck. Okay, so here is my Stitch. This is not mine. This is my daughter's Stitch.
I love snake.
Okay, so you have dog too?
No.
You have dog too? Do you love to play dog?
Yes.
Okay, you love it. Okay, why you love dog? I sorry. I need to take pictures. Wait, huh? Okay, why you love duck a lot?
Mm, because I can. Because it's so big.
It's so big. Okay. Now, how about music? Do you like music?
Yes, I like.
What is your favorite music?
I always I always listen to music in one program in Vietnam.
Okay. So what is your most favorite music in Vietnam?
I always listen I listen. I always listen to music in one program.
Oh, one
Is
program in Vietnam. What is that?
yes. Is Anh Trai Say Hi.
What is that? It is love songs. It is love music. What is it?
Is they
It is.
is a
Okay, it is a good music.
yes is a program. They are they are mm,
Like
they
it's a program in a TV.
yes is a
Yeah,
program is popular and
it's popular. It's popular.
yeah
Okay. Yeah, it's okay if it's popular. Okay, now let us have here. Okay, I will show you
and
this one.
and
And
now young people like it.
okay. So now young people like it. Okay, it's young people in Vietnam like that one, that music. It's a program.
Because singer in program is so has is so handsome.
The singer of that program is Sansa. What's the name
Is Anh Trai Say Hi is a name of
of the
program.
band? It's a band. Let me see. And try say hi. It's a program. And then most of the singers there are handsome.
Yeah,
So young people like it.
yeah,
Okay, so that's it. That's very good. Okay. Do you know Blackpink? You know
yes,
Blackpink?
I know.
Oh,
Yes, I
do you love
know.
Blackpink?
Yes.
You knew them? You knew Lisa?
Yesterday in the night, I sing shut down, and my cousin is scary because because my because my because my voice is big.
Oh, okay. Can you sing it to me? Can you sing it to me?
Uh, no, because I don't have
Your voice is deep.
because
Ah,
I
Queen, what's the name of your cousin?
is Khanh.
Oh, how old is she?
She is 9 years old.
Okay, a girl.
Now, yes, now she is study teacher Anna.
She's studying with teacher Anna.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, you're studying with teacher Anna, your cousin. Okay. So
yeah,
now, okay, I guess. Okay, I will just ask teacher Anna. Okay, is she good at English too?
yeah. She is so good.
She's so good. Okay, but you're good in English too. But we have to make your English better, best. Okay, you want to make your English best?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, here, look at this. Okay, look at this, Queen. Okay, we have guitar lessons. Teacher will gonna ask questions in the right, and you will gonna answers me the answers in the left side in the box. Okay, how much is the cost of the guitar? How much is the cost of the guitar?
Cost of guitar
Yeah, how much? Look up here. Look up in the box.
is $90.
Yeah, it's $90.
Oh, it's so expensive.
Yeah, yeah, it's expensive. 90, it's not dollar, ha, it's 90 pounds. It's expensive. It's pound. It's 90 pounds for 10 lesson. Expensive. Okay? Now, how is there a pop music? Is there a pop
Uh,
music? What kind of music, Gwen?
is
What kind of music they will play? Yes?
is
What kind of music?
O
Yeah, what kind of music? It is
is uh,
all kinds
all
kinds
kinds
of
of
music.
music.
Okay, now, is there children's lessons? How old? Children's lessons
It is children from 8 years old.
from 8 years old. Very good. Where do you think they will gonna play the guitar lessons? Where?
Is in seven is in morning, afternoon, and or evening.
Okay, so is there Saturday afternoon?
Saturday afternoon. Yes, is it.
Okay, so it is it is morning,
Is
afternoon, or evening, 7 days a week. So there is Saturday, Monday to Sunday. There's a lesson and morning, afternoon, evening. Okay? Okay, Queen?
okay.
Okay, now. Okay, speaking part two. Okay, teacher will ask you a question. Number one, where do you study, Queen?
I am study at Quách Đình Bảo Secondary School.
Okay, is it far from your house?
It's near my house.
Like how many minutes to travel?
Is 9 10 minutes.
Okay, 9 to
Nine
10
to ten
minutes.
minutes.
Okay, what subject do you like the best?
I like PE
PE. Why you like PE? It's physical education. It's exercise. Or what subjects do you like?
because it have badminton.
Okay, it have badminton. What do you often do at the weekend?
I often play badminton with my cousin, watch TV, sleepy, and cook.
Cook. What did you cook?
I always search the internet, cook bread or bread or candy.
Okay. So, who do you like spending time with?
Uh,
Who do you like spending time with?
is my cousin.
Okay. Okay. So, what? Okay. Tell me about your best friends. Can you tell me about your best friend?
My best friend is the girl. She is 13 years old.
She's 13 years old. Okay. She is the girl. Oh, your neighbor. The one you told me, your neighbor? When? The one you told me, your neighbor? That's your best friends? Hmm?
Mm,
Yeah. The one you told me, your neighbor. Your neighbor is your best friend?
yes.
Okay. So, in school, who is your best friend in school?
Is Yuan, Phương Yuan.
Oh, how old is she?
She is 11 years old.
She is 11 years old. Okay. Wow. It's very nice to have best friend. Okay, it's very nice. Do you have sister or brother?
No,
No. Okay. So you're alone. Okay, now look at this one. Now, look at this. Gwen, we have different subjects. What is your favorite subject, Gwen?
my favorite subject is PE.
Oh, PE again. Oh, aside from PE, what else? Do you like English, geography, arts, science, or what do you like aside from PE?
I like English.
English. Okay, now, how about what subjects do you study in school? Can you give me three subjects that you study in school?
Three subjects is English,
English,
Vietnamese,
Vietnamese,
math,
math,
Vietnamese math,
mhm,
history,
history,
music,
music, arts,
art,
IT,
art, geography,
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 uh-huh.
science,
Science,
IT,
IT.
science.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now that's very good. You study some of these subjects. Okay, why do you like okay English? Why do you like to learn English with a teacher, with a foreign teacher? If I will ask you, why do you want to learn English with a foreign teachers? You told me you want to learn English. Why?
Because it,
Because
because I want to talk with my cousin in English.
okay, you want to talk to your cousin in English. Your cousin is very good in English. I know. Your cousin is very good in English. She's very good or no?
Yeah,
Not at all. Very wow. But you are good in English. I can see you can speak English. Very good, Quinn. But we have to help you speak more. You have to speak more. We have to speak more. Okay? Now, what do
okay.
you do at the weekends? Look at the activity in the weekends. Can you see the activity in the weekends? What do you do in the weekends?
I play sport
You play
and
sport.
study English,
Okay.
study homework.
Okay. You study homework, you play what else? What activity do you do? Do you watch TV?
Yes.
Okay. Now, here. Okay, next one. I usually play sports. Okay, who do you like spending time with in the weekend? Who do you like to spend time with in the weekend? You don't need to go to school. So, who do you like to spend time with?
Mm, I like spending time with my cousin.
Okay. Okay, you want to spend time with your cousins. Okay, that's great. Okay, do you have pet at home? Pet, like dogs? Do you have pet at home?
No,
No, you don't have. You like dogs?
yes, I
Mm,
like,
but you don't have pet at home.
yes.
Okay, that's good. It's okay. Okay, so we have here, okay, this is your best friends, the name, the physical appearance. So your physical appearance, it means pretty, pretty like tall, white skin. What is the physical appearance of your best friends?
She is tall
He is tall. Pretty?
and is she good?
She's good. She's good. Okay, she's good. Okay. Now, okay, she's 13, right? Personality. Is she angry always? Happy always? Is she happy always? Your friend.
And yes,
She's happy always. Oh, that's good. Okay. Twin. Okay, by the way, twin. Yeah. Twin, by the way. Okay. The Zoom will end, twin. And then, can you hear me? The Zoom will end and I will have to add 5 minutes in the next lesson. I need to improve my Zoom. I need to buy Zoom which can cater 45 minutes. Okay? So I will see you on Friday because your mom told me we're gonna have class on Friday. Okay?
okay,
Yeah. Thank you so much, Queen, for today. See you on Friday and I will add 5 minutes for that one. Okay, Queen?
okay.
Bye,
Bye
Queen. Thank you, Queen.
bye. Bye bye.